Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to upload story on Facebook. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Firstly, open the Facebook applications. So after this, here you can see create story. So click on create story. So after this, here you can see access to your camera roll. So click on continue. So after this, here you can see your gallery. So select the story which you want to upload. So after selecting the story, you can see share option. So click on it. So again confirm to OK. Then click on add. So you can see story is uploading. So guys, in this way you can create a story or upload story on the Facebook application. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.